Welcome back to another comprehensive review session of Monzo. Monzo is a digital bank based in the UK that offers a range of financial services through its mobile app. Founded in 2015, the bank provides personal and business accounts, budgeting tools, savings options, and more. Using Monzo. Dashboard overview. The main dashboard provides an overview of your account balance, recent transactions, and spending insights. Users can quickly access various features such as budgeting tools, savings pots, and customer support. Spending insights and budgeting. Monzo automatically categorizes transactions and provides insights into your spending habits. Users can set budgets for different spending categories, such as groceries, entertainment, and transportation. The app sends notifications when you are close to reaching your budget limits. Savings pots. Monzo allows users to create separate savings pots within their account. Users can set savings goals and automate transfers to these pots. Pots can be used for different purposes, such as an emergency fund, vacation savings, or bills. Bill tracking and payments. Monzo offers features for tracking and paying bills. Users can set up direct debits, standing orders, and scheduled payments. The app sends reminders for upcoming bills and helps users avoid missed payments. International payments. Monzo supports international payments and currency exchange with low fees and competitive exchange rates. Users can send money abroad directly from the app. Security and privacy. Data encryption. Monzo uses advanced encryption methods to protect user data. This ensures that all information transmitted between the app and Monzo's servers is secure. Privacy policy. Monzo adheres to a strict privacy policy, ensuring that user data is never sold or shared with third parties without consent. Advanced features. Monzo Plus and Monzo Premium. Monzo offers premium subscription services, Monzo Plus and Monzo Premium, which include additional features such as custom spending categories, advanced roundups for saving spare change, virtual cards, higher interest rates on savings, travel insurance and phone insurance, Monzo Premium, shared tabs and split bills. Monzo provides features for managing shared expenses. Users can create shared tabs to track group expenses and split bills with friends directly through the app. Advantages of Monzo. User-friendly interface. Monzo's clean and intuitive interface makes it easy for users to navigate and manage their finances. Real-time notifications. The app provides real-time notifications for transactions, helping users stay on top of their spending. Strong customer support. Monzo is known for its excellent customer support, which is available 24/7 through the app. Limitations and challenges. Limited physical presence. As a digital bank, Monzo does not have physical branches, which may be a limitation for users who prefer in-person banking services. Connectivity issues. Like many financial apps, Monzo may occasionally experience connectivity issues with certain banks, resulting in delayed transaction updates. Conclusion. Monzo remains a powerful and popular digital bank in 2024, offering a wide range of features to help users manage their money effectively. Its user-friendly interface, innovative features, and strong customer support make it an excellent tool for personal financial management. That wraps up our detailed review of Monzo. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.